Hi there, Dory Sukup here. Did you miss the webinar I did on recipes for success? If you did, I'm going to give you an opportunity to see it again. On this 1-hour webinar, I shared 10 different success recipes that your team can implement and make a difference in your business. So if you missed it, go ahead and click on the link below and make sure you download it and watch it. Or you can go to inspirationmanagement.com, click on the Coach Me tab, and there you will see recipes for success, and you'll be able to see all the great modules I'm going to be covering for the next 10 months and arm your team with everything they need so they can be super successful. So go ahead and do it. Don't delay. We're going to start the first module next month. It's going to be on the first Wednesday of every month, and I'm going to be going one by one over 10 different success recipes designed specifically for your team to gain more knowledge and to elevate your success and theirs. So until next time, stay inspired.